Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here that is about cosine 2a equals to 1 minus 2 sine a squared in here. So we know that s that is about number 2 multiplied by s over 2. So capital A that is about s over 2. And now we need to transform this one into this one. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of this one, we have 1 over first derivative of bs plus c multiplied by sigma. So this one we have coefficient of sine that's about a, and I will put about bs plus c gone here, and later that we use about coefficient again, and then we put about c in here. This is about incomplete elliptic integral of the third kind. So now I will use this formula for this one in here. So A that's about number 2. Bs plus C that's about S over 2. A that's about number 2. And I will put about C. So first derivative of this one, we have 1 over 2. And this one we have number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.